Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Minnie, and in today's video we are going to do a hair video, another hair video. I know I haven't been doing a lot of makeup videos because I am pregnant, my face is messed up, and so I figured I'd just do something with my hair instead until my face clears up. Today's video we are going to test out two combs. So this one right here is $10 and this one right here is a whopping $205, okay? We're going to figure out if this comb is any better than this one and if it's worth it or not. All right, so if you guys are new here, don't forget to press the like and subscribe button and let's get started. All right, so this is a comb that I use to brush my hair every single time I get out of the shower. I naturally don't brush my hair because I dye my hair a lot, and every single time I brush my hair, I would lose a lot of hair and there would be a lot of breakage, and I would try to like protect my hair with some conditioners, etc. A lot of hair products, but every single time, no matter what, with products or not, you're gonna lose a little bit of hair. So that's just something that you have to expect when you are extra and you want to dye your hair and look even more out there and, you know, play around with your looks. So the reason why I use a wet brush is because the bristles are really soft. It doesn't really like have the stiffness, and so when you're combing your hair, especially when it's wet, it kind of just like maneuvers through your hair and tries its best not to pull and tug onto your hair, so then you'll lose less hair. But I really never use this when I have like dried hair or when I wake up in the morning. I just look like this, like a huge hot mess. So I'm going to try this on one side and this one right here on the other side. So I've heard a lot of good things about the Pearson brush. This is the popular brush, and it's a combination of the bristle and nylon, and this is in a large size. This brush is like raved by a lot of hairstylists. I heard it from Cardi B's, and she wears a lot of wigs, so she, her stylist recommends to use this brush to keep your hair in check, smooth, healthy. It looks like it's like, you know, pin straight, right? So I'm not sure if that's going to work, but we will see. Here it is, for $200. Comes in a little tray like this, a red tray, and it comes in with a little brochure like this. Gives you some instructions on how to wash it, how to maintain it, etc. The bristle and nylon tufts, which is this, is a combination of two. This mixture is a good combination for thick or long hair. So there you have it. All right, and then it has instructions here to clean your brush. So this does have some maintaining. It's a little bit high maintenance. I mean, this one I just kind of pull my hair out. Just when I see a little bit of fallout, I just take it out. You know what I mean? And there's really not much to clean on this. It's a wet brush, so you can just wet it. Let the water run through. Let's try it out. I'm gonna split my hair. My hair is like blobby, sorry. Let's use this one on this side. So I can already like predict that this one's gonna be pretty crazy since my hair is pretty like, right? So I usually start from down here because it's just slow. And I do this because I know and I can feel it, I can hear it, that it's like, because my hair is just fired and, you know? It's already like dead. All right, and then I kind of like slowly let go one or two strands and then pull it down. Just slow, very, very slow. Like even that, I can see that my hair is already starting to like fall out. See that? All that hair, that craziness. So let's just try to finish up this side. Oof. Like every time you dye your hair, especially right after you dye your hair, it's going to be a little bit like brutal for the aftermath and the care. So there you have it. We have a combed right side of my hair. Okay, so we got some strands here and there fall out, and it's not too bad because my hair is dried. When it's wet, it has a little bit more because, you know, it's not really because it's the brush's fault, it's my fault too as well, because I always just tug on it and I'm not supposed to. I'm supposed to like the hairstylist told me to like do it like this, and I'm like, I don't have time to do it like this. I just go so that's probably why. Anyways, moving on to the exciting brush. Here it is. It's a ruby red kind of color. It looks more like black to me, but in the light you might see a tint of red. I don't know. And inside is kind of like orange. And I don't mind it. It looks pretty cool. Fashionable brush. All right, so let's try it. The Mason Pearson brush. Here we go. Let's do it from here. The same way I did that. It sounds nice. I don't know how to explain it. It sounds like it's fuller. Maybe because it's thicker or the brush is bigger. Oh, it does comb like smoother. I mean, some hair is falling out. Yeah, I could still, you know, get that tug from the tangledness of my hair, etc. Like, this is a huge chunk of hair still, so I have to like slowly, one by one, let go. Also on the side, when you're brushing it, you can feel like it's slowly going through, not as fast as the other ones, because I think it has more bristles and stuff. So, like, I don't feel like it's going all the way through because it's being stopped by the bristles, where this one is like, it goes all the way through. You know what I mean? Here it's like halfway, you know, and then you have to kind of push it all the way through. So then you have to like go slower, I think. Like back here, I don't feel like it's being combed yet. So I have to go back and like extra care for that area. So if I'm gonna comb it on this top part, I have to go back and comb it underneath because it's not gonna go all the way through. That's how I'm feeling. All right, so there you have it. I have some fallout, see? So we're losing some hair here. But I'm gonna say that I'm not losing as much because it doesn't go all the way through. It kind of slowly brings things together. And from the view of the camera, I feel like this side looks a little bit more like together than this side. So this one advertised it's supposed to help you not have split ends, kind of bring your hair more unified, more smooth. So I do kind of see it, like this one's fuzzy and this one's not as fuzzy, but still fuzzy because it's just my hair. In conclusion, I do like this hairbrush. It seems like it's kind of preventing me from like tugging as much as I would want to, and it feels nice. I feel like it's a head massage. Yeah, like a head massage. And on this side, I feel like my hair is much thinner, so I feel like I'm not combing a lot of hair. But this one feels like, ah. I think it's more for the massaging of your head. It feels like that. It feels that nice. Yeah, I mean, I think I'll just keep using this. I do like it. I can tell that this would be better for my hair in the long run. Like the way that it's combing and trying to protect my hair and not like go through the strands. So there, you guys see that? My hair on this side, the comb is going all the way through, where this one is like, no, we're just gonna take it slow. Every strand counts kind of deal. I'm starting to look like that character from Star Wars? What's it called? Chewbacca? Okay. No more horsing around. There you guys have it. That's my review. I do like it. For $200, I'm not sure if it's worth it, but I will say that it really depends on you. Like, if you are comfortable with spending this much money on something like this. It is a little pricey, but if you're gonna spend a lot of money on dyeing your hair, coloring it, and then also treatment, that's a lot of money too. Like, I know that conditioners and like hair treatments are gonna cost like up to a couple hundred. It's really expensive to maintain beauty, okay? So if you think about dyeing your hair and touching it up, that's like already a couple hundred every few months, you know? And this is $200, so I don't think it's a bad investment. And for me, it's okay because I have a lot of wigs, and people say you can use this on wigs. It'll help your wigs from tangling, especially, and you'll have like straight, pin straight hair like Cardi B, you know? For me, yes. For you guys, you kind of have to really see what you're comfortable with, you know? Some people like to spend money on food, like omakase, that's like $200 meal just to have sushi for like an hour, or like booze or wine, that's really expensive. It really depends on your preference, and if you are into beauty and want to maintain and keep yourself together, then this is for ya. It is very nice. I do like it. So, A-okay. Admin approved. I'm gonna comb this side just to feel like we are one. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys find this video useful. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you guys have this brush and if you guys have any advice or any like comments, just leave them below and I'll try my best to get back to you guys as soon as possible. And it's a learning process for me as well. So if you guys have any information on other hair cares that you would like to share, then that would be really awesome. Hopefully we can help each other look cute. Alright guys, so I'll catch you in my next video. Hopefully it'll be a makeup one when my face gets together. I'll definitely try my best to get on my fashion videos. So if you guys are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. I do vlogs, I do music videos, I do fashion videos, clothing, makeup, etc. So there's a playlist, so if you're not interested in like my vlogs or my everyday life or you know my music, etc., there's lots of other options for you to look through and see what your taste is and what you're interested in. Thanks for joining me today and see you guys next time. Doodles!